Ready to unlock the secrets hidden within cryptocurrency charts and transform from a curious observer into a confident crypto analyst. First, let's explore chart types. Candlestick charts, our main focus, display open, high, low, and close prices for a specific period. Line charts simply connect closing prices, offering a cleaner view of overall trends. Bar charts are similar to candlesticks, showing the same price data. Renko charts filter out noise, focusing on price movements above a certain threshold. Now, deciphering candlestick patterns. A bullish hammer suggests a potential price reversal upwards. Bearish engulfing pattern signals a possible downtrend. Doji candles with small bodies indicate indecision in the market. Mastering these is key to predicting potential price movements. Identifying trends and key levels is crucial. Draw trend lines connecting consecutive highs or low. Support levels represent price floors where buying pressure is strong. Resistance levels are price ceilings where selling pressure prevails. Breakouts above resistance or below support can signal significant moves. Next up, indicators. Moving averages smooth out price data, helping identify trends. The relative strength index, or RSI, measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions. Experiment with different indicators to find what suits your trading style. Delving deeper, Fibonacci retracements help identify potential support and resistance levels based on mathematical ratios. These ratios act as potential turning points in the market. Remember, risk management is paramount. Always use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Properly size your positions to manage risk effectively and protect your capital. Finally, the Ichimoku Cloud provides a comprehensive view of support, resistance, trend direction, and momentum. While complex, it offers valuable insights into market dynamics. Keep practicing and experimenting with different tools to hone your skills and become a successful crypto chart reader.